Section.
Alright, this time I want to introduce my family. I have a wife, her name is Jamil. And I have 3 sons in here. Alright, let's introduce yourself. You first.
Okay, thanks my father. My name is Ramzi. I have a wife, and now I have a doctor, and her name is Dini.
Alright, next, April, my son.
I'm a Rizal. I have a wife. Her name is Laila, and this is my son. His name is Reza.
Alright. My last son. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Alright, Dad. Hello, guys. My name is Kausa. I am Ilham's son. I didn't marry yet, but I'm happy. I believe
It's so sad.
my soulmate will come in time. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So, Reza, my grandson, I have a question for you. So, who is Andini for you?
Andini is my cousin.
Your cousin. Alright, that's good. Next. And Abijan, I have a question for you. Who is Andini for you?
Oh, and this is my niece.
Alright, that's very good. Alright, do you have a question for me? You can, if you want.
I have a question that I have.
Alright. So,
But Abijan, my young brother,
Yes.
who is your wife for me? Who is your wife?
Oh, my wife is your sister-in-law.
Oh, okay. Good. Alright, Ramzi, you can ask something to them or me.
Okay, my baby.
Yes, that's right. Hey. Alright,
Who's my doctor for you?
Your daughter is my niece.
Oh, okay. My family is very small.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.
Don't call me daddy, that's you. Why? Because you have get married. I feel sorry to your mom, guys.
We are your sons, brother. Yeah, Daddy.
Okay, it's fine. So, okay. Next question. Reza, who is Putri for you?
Putri is my aunt.
Oh, okay, that's very good. You are a smart child. Nice. Okay. I think it's enough.
Okay, thank you.
Action. Okay.
Okay, welcome to my family. I have a wife. She's 21st, and he's my son. His name is
I have 3 children. The first child, his name Hanif.
Of course, my name is Hanif Yudhra, and I have a brother. My brother's name is Baron, and my sister name Aisha. And I have a child. I have a son.
My name is Musbar. My father is Hani.
So, if I have a wife, whose wife? Who's my wife?
Your wife for you? My mother.
And my brother is yours,
Of course, it's my uncle.
and my sister is yours.
So who is yours? Who's for you? Is it my great grandfather? Right? Yes, you're right.
Who is he for you?
He's my grandfather.
It's good.
I feel my neighbor. Your starboy?
Just because I'm the first, you think that I'm Starboy?
Yes.
No, of course. My wife is cheating on me.